We will start right now, guys. So let's pay attention. Let's behave, right? And let's practice. Okay, so, but first, it is time to pray to the Lord. Yes. And I'm going to ask to Andrea Larissa to pray, please, for us. Everybody close your eyes. Kenneth, you have to respect, right? Because we're going to pray today, right now. Okay, let's listen then to Leticia. Leticia, please, we are going to pray right now. Okay, Andrea, you may start now.
Thank you, God, for this day. Thank you for our family, for the food, and all you give us today. Amen.
Amen. Okay, guys, so let's start then. And today we will start discussing, right, the homework that I assigned to you, right? There were 2 pages, right? 373 and 375. Yes? Okay, so did you do your homework, guys?
Yes.
Okay. It means that if I ask randomly, you may answer. You are able to answer.
Yes.
Yes? So, Beta, tell me a number from 1 to 5 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Tell me a number from 1 to 17.
16.
16. Okay, Kenneth, could you please share with us exercise number, let's see, in page 373, right? Let's share, Bayan, sorry, Kenneth, exercise number 6. Which is the answer of exercise number 6?
Is
Number 6.
um, 19.
19. Is that correct, guys?
No.
Kenneth,
No,
we are
yes.
in page 373. Could you please show me your work? Would you please show me your homework?
¿Verdad?
¿Cómo se llama él?
Sorry, but I can see. Could you please? Is that page 373?
Yes. Yes.
19? And why you
Yes.
have 19, Kenneth? Okay, Miguel Alejandro, do you have the answer?
Is 1.
1? Okay. Do you think that is correct? Glenis, could you please share the answer?
Um, 140 over 60.
We're talking about exercise 6, guys.
Mr. Aisin that I have it.
Glenis, do you have that answer? Guys, are you sure that you understood the topic?
Sure, I know the answer.
Maria Jose,
Is 2.
could you repeat again?
The answer of the exercise 6 is 2.
Yes, of course, that's number 2. Okay, someone else has a different answer from about, or everybody has number 2. Diego Amado, do you have a different answer? Which is your answer?
14 over 16.
14. And why you have fraction in that part, guys? Why do you have a fraction in that part? Are you sure that you understand the topic? Raise your hand if you do not understand. Raise your hand. Okay, we will discuss. I'm going to explain you one more time, and please pay attention, right? because when we are in classes, guys, you have to pay attention and ask, okay? You have to ask. And also, you have the videos, right, on YouTube and the platform. If you have doubts, please go to the videos to see the explanation again. But today, I'm going to explain you one more time this exercise, right? And then we will continue with the class because we have another topic to discuss today. Yes, in case you have doubts, you have to go to YouTube, right? And watch the videos again. Okay, so wait, let's wait a little bit. I'm gonna get in with my cell phone, right? In order you to see. Okay, here I am. Guys, guys, are you paying attention?
Yes.
Let's pay attention where it says iPhone de Dennis. Yes? Do you have an option there that it says speaker view, right? So let's select that option in order to make the display bigger.
Mister,
Everybody?
así lo tengo. Yes.
Okay, so you're seeing, you're watching my book. Yes, so please turn off your microphones. Yes, in order to make this easier, right? So exercise number 6. Yes, this is exercise number 6. And then we have, right, 9, yes, over 10 plus 5 over 6. Yes? So, which is the first step that we have to follow here, guys? Which is the first step? Which is the first step that we have to do here?
Multiply because the denominator are different. Number line. The number line. You have
The number line. Okay, so we have to look for which number is closest to the numbers that we are, right, doing. Yes? And then let's start with number. We are going to estimate, remember? 9 over 10. Yes? And then we're gonna draw, right, a number line. Yes? And this number line, we're gonna divide it in how many parts? In how many parts, guy?
Three.
In
Three parts, right? And then let's divide it in 3 parts. Yes? So it means that this part is gonna be 10 over 10. Yes? That is the final part. So here we will have 5 over 10 because we are talking about the half here. Yes? And over here we will have 0 over which number? 10, right?
10.
Yes? So, and which one will be these numbers? 0?
0, 1, no, 0, 3 or 2.
No, 0, half, and 1. Yes? Because we are looking if these fractions are closest to 0, half, and 1.
Mr. Question, what's a half no are 2, only a half.
Sorry? No, you have to place, I told you the last class that you have to place 0, half, and 1 because this is the number that you are
No,
comparing. Yes.
Pero ¿por qué es half? Porque es así, si no, porque puede ser 0, 2 y 1.
Okay.
¿Sí? O 1.
I understand, but here between 0 and 1, which number do you think it would be? We have 2 here.
Yes. No, mister. Sí es cierto, ya entendí.
Okay, so now guys, here we have 0, half, and 1, right? Because these are the numbers that we have to compare, yes? Or in some occasion we have, right, different numbers here according to the denominator they have, right? That I explained to you the last class as well, right? That in some occasion we have, like for example, 6 and 12, right? But in this case, we have 0, half, and 1. Yes? So, now, how many numbers I have between 0 and 5? How many numbers?
4.
4, right?
4.
So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes? So, this is going to be 1 over 10.
Over 10.
Over 10.
3 over 10.
Turn off your microphones, please, because I need to show my board. If you are talking, you are the ones that appear in the video, right? So 3 over 10, 4 over 10. And then here I have 5 over 10 already. Yes, that is the half. And then how many numbers do I have between 5 and 10?
5.
4.
4. Okay, and then I continue. 6 over 10, 7 over 10, 8 over 10, and 9 over 10. And then I got 10 over 10 already. That is the last number that I am looking for. Yes? So, now, the only thing that I have to do is to, the only thing that I have to do is to identify where do I have 9 over 10. Where do I have 9 over 10? Here.
In 1.
Here, right? So I'm gonna draw a point here. Yes. To know where is the number that I'm looking for. Yes. And then I count to compare if it is 0, half, and 1. Yes. And then I count how many spaces do I have from to get number 1. I have 1 space, right?
Yeah.
So to half, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it is impossible then, right? And then from 0, I have more than 4, right? Because it is Yes? It's
Mr.
far away. Tell me, Sebastián.
Perdón, es que tengo problemas con internet. ¿Qué tema estamos? ¿En qué
Yes, no
página?
worry. I'm giving a review because some of you do not understand the last topic. Just pay attention, okay?
Ok.
So this is just a review. Okay, then guys. So I know that the closest number to 9 over 10 in this number, which is the number? Number one.
One, Mr. One.
1. So it means that 9 over 10, we will estimate to number 1. Yes? 9 over 10 is equal to 1. And then what do I have to do?
Do the
I have to
same.
compare the second number as well. And then I will start with 5 over 6. Yes?
Teacher,
And
in
then
the
I
two
will
numbers.
draw another number line. Yes? With the same parts. Yes? And then I got here the half. Yes? So the last number that I'm looking for is, which is the last number that I was
5 over 6.
no, 6 over 6. So the half would be, which will be the half?
3 over 6.
3 over 6 and here
0 over 6.
Zeros over 6.
over 6. Yes? So how many numbers do I have from 0 to 3?
2.
2 more numbers, right? 1 and 2. And then I start 1 over 6, 2 over 6. Yes? And then how many numbers do I have from 3 to 6?
3, Mr.
2 more, right? 2 more. 3 over 6, 4 over 6, and 5 over 6. And then I have complete the number line. Yes? So, what do I have to do now? Here we have half, 0, and 1.
The
Yes.
nearest is 1.
Yes, because I have to identify first that this is the number that I'm looking for. 5 over 6. Yes?
But
And
it
this
is
number closest to
1.
5.
1, 5, 5, 5.
Sorry, from 1 to not to 1, right? So 5,
Is equal-
Angela. Okay.
5 over 6 is equal to
Okay, yes. Bayram, could you please turn off your microphone? So it means that 5 over 6, it is equal to 1. So what do I have to do now?
Zoom.
You have to add because this is the operation that we are doing, right? Add. And I'm gonna add the number that I estimate already. So 1 plus 1, it is equal to 2, right? It is equal to 2. Yes? So it means that 9 over 10 plus 5 over 6, it is equal to, and you see the border? Yes, of course. It is equal to 2. Now, Diego Amador, did you understand? Are you clear now, Kenneth? Are you clear now yet, Kenneth? Glynis?
Yes.
Okay, so I noticed that you have some fraction as answers. And let me tell you that it is not possible. The only possibility you have to get a fraction in this as answer is gonna be if you got the half, right? Like for example, it could be 1 over 2. Yes, that's the only possibility we have. And we will solve an exercise doing that. Oh, do you understand now, guys? Are you sure that you understand?
Yes,
Yes? Okay, so let's continue then sharing the homework, please. Let's continue then sharing the homework.
Mister.
Okay, let's continue then sharing the homework. And I'm gonna ask to Caleb, could you please share exercise number 7, which is the answer?
It's
Hurry up,
equal
Caleb.
to. Mister, es que lo tenía mala y no entendía antes.
Okay, the thing that we're gonna do is that you have, listen what you have to do. You have to check your answer according to the explanation today, right?
Yes.
Gabriela, do you have to say something?
I know the answer.
Or do you want to say something? Sorry. Would you like to say something, Gabriela, or not?
I know the answer.
Okay, which is the answer?
1/2.
1/2. 1/2. Yes, it is 1/2. That's the answer of that exercise. Yes.
Yeah.
So, good job.
Did I know the answer of phone number 8?
No, listen, Gabriela. Sorry, Gabriel. Could you please share the answer of exercise number 10?
2.
2?
Yes.
Are you sure that the answer is 2?
Yes. Mister, I know the answer.
I know the answer.
I know the answer, Mister.
Okay, Maria Jose, could you please tell me what is the answer?
Answer is 0.
0. That's the answer, number 0. Andrea Larissa, could you please share exercise number 11? This is the exercise number 11.
11.
Sorry, yes, 11.
1/2.
Yes, of course. 1/2. That's the answer because that's the
correct.
number that are closest. Yes. So now let's go to page 175. Yes. Please, before task, you have to correct your exercises. Yes, and I'm gonna ask, please, to send me this weekend. Yes. You have to send me a picture of your.
Mister, I know the answer for number 2.
Wait. Okay, Bayron, could you please share answer number 2 in page 375?
Wait, Mister, because I have a problem.
What?
I don't know what is the middle of 15 because it is 8/15
What?
plus 2/5.
Yes. What happened?
And I don't know the middle.
Sorry?
In the timeline, I don't know. The middle is 1/2. No, but the number.
Yeah, the middle is 1/2, right?
Is it like 1/10, like that? I don't know the number. I know that is the half, but the number, I don't know what is. I don't know
I
what
don't understand what you are trying to say to me. Do you have the answer?
I have it, Mister.
Which is the answer?
Of what exercise?
About number 2, exercise number 2.
The answer is 1.
Yes, the answer is number 1. Yes? So let's listen then now to Angeles. Angeles, could you please share answer number 3? That is a subtraction. We can hear you, Angeles. Yes, of course. Number one. Do you have the same answer? Yes, of course. Number one. Yes. So now we have an
Está
exercise.
cerca.
And then what about exercise number 4? Who has number 4 ready? Andrea Monserrat? You have number
I have it, I think.
Andrea Monserrat, could you please share answer number 4? Andrea? You have it, Andrea, or not?
This exercise I don't understand too much.
You didn't understand. Someone else have a different answer? Or got an answer?
I have 1/1.5.
1.5. 1.5? How?
Because in that timeline, the middle, you put 0, half, and 1.
Yeah.
That is the half. That is 1/10/10.
Yes.
The house is 5/8. And the 0 is 0/8. Wait.
So,
Yes. Now you put them in like 1/2, 1/10, 2/10, 3/10. That number 8 is near to number 1. And with 4/9, 4 is nearest to the middle.
yes, of course.
So we need to sum and 1 plus a half is equal to 1.5.
Okay. Do you have the same answer, guys? Yes, of course. Good job, Beta. Good job. So, people, guys, we will stop here. And please, people who has different answers, yes, please, you have to correct their answer. Now you will have 2 videos to watch. Yes, you will have
Mister,
last class and this class.
Mister,
And these
we
both
have
classes, wait, Beta. Beta,
of math.
yes, of course. But in this next hour, I'm going to explain the new topic. Yes.
Okay.
That's why I'm telling you that we will stop here with the review. Yes. So listen. This weekend, yes, I'm gonna wait. Yes, for the pictures. You have to do the exercise again, right? You have to check your exercise, these 2 pages, and then you have to send it to me to my email address. Yes. Because I need to check if you understand. Yes. Are you clear with this? Yes. So I'm gonna see you in few minutes because the meeting will end right now because we don't have time. And get ready for the next topic. Okay.